Hello friends, how are you? I hope you will be fine and studying nicely. I am Shinde DG sir and I welcome you to my channel that is Awesome English for Learners. Friends, today you are going to learn explanation of basketful of moonlight. Before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and press bell icon to get notifications. Explanation of poem A Basketful of Moonlight. It is written by Sunil Sharma. Before going to explain this poem, you must read this poem with me. O moon, give me moonlight, basket full or two baskets full with seeds of moonlight. From the city to my village, on the sides of the path, I want to sow many small moons of light. The whole village goes to the city daily to work. It becomes dark on its back, as my village is quite far. The route is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. Neither birds nor cart plies. When my father returns home, I am asleep, and he goes back early in the morning while I am sleeping. O moon, give me a basket full of moonlight on loan. I want to light the dark route so that my father returns early. I too want to hear fairy tales and stories from him. O moon, give me a basket full of moonlight. I want to sow seeds of moon on the sides of the path. Students, before going to explain this poem stanza by stanza, I want to tell you introduction or summary of this poem. Students, this poem is a request of a child to the moon. The child requests moon to give him one or two baskets full of seeds of moonlight. He wishes to sow the small moons of light along the roads from city to village, because his father will come home early and tell him stories. In this poem, the poet Sunil Sharma describes villagers' life, which is full of dangerous and child's love for his father. Now I'll explain this poem stanza by stanza. O moon, give me moonlight, basket full or two baskets full with seeds of moonlight. From the city to my village, on the sides of the path, I want to sow many small moons of light. The whole village goes to the city daily to work. Students, here there are new words. Seed. Seed means a small object for planting to grow more crops. You know very well because we are children of farmers. And the second word is path. Path means a route or track between one place and another place. Look at these pictures, then you will get the idea. Now, the narrator Sunil Sharma demands the moon gives him basketful or two basketful of seeds of moonlight. He wants to sow the seeds of moonlight on the path from village to city, because the whole village goes to the city daily to work, including poet's father. Here in this stanza, there are three figures which I'll explain one by one. Now look, the first apostrophe, and you know very well, in last videos I explained this apostrophe. Apostrophe is a figure of speech, sometimes represented by an exclamation such as O. A writer or speaker using apostrophe speaks directly to someone who is not present or is dead or speaks to an inanimate object. For example, O moon. The next figure of speech is alliteration. In this figure of speech, you know very well the same beginning sounds are repeated. Just here I want to give you some information about this alliteration. And what is this? Alliteration is derived from Latin's latera. It means letters of alphabet. It is a stylistic device in which a number of words having the same first consonant sounds occur close together in a series. Small moons of light means this is an example of alliteration. Now here I have given you some describing words you must match. Means 2 baskets full of moonlight, whole village, and small moons. Means in this way you have to make the describing words also you must match and do best. Now the next 2 stanzas. Read this. It becomes dark on its way back as my village is quite far. The route is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. Neither bus nor cart plies. When my father returns home, I am asleep. And he goes back early in the morning when I am sleeping. Oh moon, give me a basket full of moonlight on loan. In these 2 stanzas, there are 2 new words. Scorpions. Scorpions means a small creature that lives in hot, dry areas of the world and has a long body and a curved tail with a poisonous thing. And second word is plies. Plies means travels regularly over a route. Students, in these 2 stanzas, the poet Sunil Sharma wants to tell us when his father returns home. There is darkness on the road. There are many snakes and scorpions on the road and village is far away from the city. Neither bus nor cart regularly travels from village to the city, and next day he goes early in the morning when the narrator is sleeping. So it is difficult to meet his father. So he requests to the moon, give him seeds of moonlight to sow on the road, because the poet Sunil Sharma wants to talk with his father. Now here you must identify the figure of speech in the following lines: snakes and scorpions. Is it apostrophe? Or is it repetition? Or is it simile? Or is it alliteration? Think over it. Just I have told. What is that? The sound yes is repeated. That's why this is the example of alliteration. Next stanzas. I want to light the dark route so that my father returns early. I too want to hear fairy tales and stories from him. O moon, give me a basket full of moonlight. I want to sow seeds of moon on the sides of the path. Here the poet or narrator wishes to light the dark road from village to the city so that his father will return home early, because the poet wants to listen fairy tales from his father. For that, the narrator wants seeds of moon to sow on the dark road to light the road. Here there are similar meaning words, just you have to match. Path, Path means route. Then travels regularly. Travels regularly means think or eat. Plies, stories, tale, black, dark. In this way, you have to match the similar meaning words. In this way, boys, the poet Sunil Sharma expresses or describes villagers' life. You know very well, villagers' life is too tough and it is full of dangerous. That's why the Sunil Sharma tries to put his view through this poem, A Basket Full of Moonlight. And there is one more thing is happened here. What is that? The child's love for his father, and it is too important thing. So boys, we'll meet in our next video, the appreciation of the poem Basket Full of Moonlight. Thank you once again. Watch the video.